Fact, a sneeze travels up to 100 mph. You're basically a rocket when you sneeze. Imagine you're outside on a sunny day, suddenly feeling that tickle in your nose. With one powerful sneeze, you unleash a force that could rival the speed of a rocket. Children often giggle and hold their noses, bracing themselves for that explosive moment. Just like that, every sneeze sends tiny droplets racing through the air at astonishing speeds. In laboratories, scientists study these particles to understand how germs spread. Each sneeze can travel several feet, launching those tiny droplets into the world around us. In crowded places like offices, a single sneeze can catch everyone off guard. It's both a source of laughter and a reminder to cover up and protect those around you. At family gatherings, sneezes can turn into a moment of joy or laughter. People often joke about how quickly a sneeze travels, making it a fun topic to share.